Looking for a powerful solution to delete mail from Horde Mail? If yes, download the BitRecovery Mail Razor Wizard software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Check out the email source list and choose the required online account option. We are selecting Horde Webmail option. Enter the email account credentials, like email address and password of your account. After that, tap on the login button. Now, the software lists all the mailboxes from your online account. Select the folder for deleting the emails. Go to Filter option. Click on the Use Advanced setting for selective erasing social media emails. There are multiple options for erasing the emails, like date range, from, to, subject and attachment size option. After that, go back to the previous window, click on Delete tab. Click on Delete button to start the conversion. There are some warning: once email message and attachments are deleted, cannot be retrieved back. Conversion completed successfully, click on OK button. Trial version: delete only first 25 emails from spam, trash, deleted or bulk emails folders. Open your webmail account and check the result.